Today I'm going to be showing you how to stream pre-recorded videos to your YouTube channel 247. Like how to stream your videos, a video you've recorded already, how to stream that video. Some people call it restream. How to stream that video to YouTube continuously. And it's very simple. So to do that, you have to come to this website. Once you're here, next, if you don't have an account, you have to click on Get Started Free. So once you click on that, just fill in your name, your email address, your password, confirm your password, click on agree to terms and click on agree to privacy policy, then you sign up. Once you have done that, then you come back to login. I've already signed up. So I've already signed up and this is not the account I'm going to be using. So once you do that, just log in, and after logging in, you'll be taken to this dashboard. So you'll be taken to this dashboard, and while on this dashboard, let me show you what you're going to get as a free user, because this account is not a free account, it's a premium plan. And for a premium plan, I have a max upload of 10 gig and a storage of 10 gig. So that's for the premium plan. So let me show you what you're going to get for the free plan. So this is a free plan. Let me log in here so that you see what you get for free plan. Now this is a free plan. So for a free plan, you get a max upload of 250 MB and a max storage of 500 MB, and you get a free monthly unit reset of 120 units and a 480 bonus unit to get you started. So those are what you get for a free plan. So now let's go straight to demonstrate how to use this website to stream to your YouTube channel 24/7. Okay, let's go straight and demonstrate that. Now first, what you need to do is to prepare your video. You have to prepare your video, whatever video you're going to be using to stream, you have to prepare it. Okay, and once you are done preparing your video, and the video has to meet up with YouTube formats, it has to meet up with YouTube format that YouTube has its recommended format for streaming and for uploading videos. So once you have that ready, then you just come straight and click on this VidStreamer V2. So once you click on the VidStreamer V2, you're going to have just few options. It's not very complicated. It's just few options that you need to configure and you get yourself streaming. So now there is a how to use button that explains what you need to do to get your streaming started, but I'm not going to be going into all that. I'm going to be explaining it directly from the dashboard itself so that you get to understand how to use the platform. So now if you click on this upload media files button, you're going to see two ways of uploading your video. If you have your video hosted on a place, not YouTube, if you have a video uploaded on a cloud server, you can actually enter the URL of the video here and fetch the video. Okay, and it's going to fetch the video for you. As you can see, it's a paste a direct link to your video, and the video must meet all these formats you see. And it's saying that iPhone recordings are usually HEVC and will be rejected. You can see that. So that's that. And if you don't have your video hosted on a cloud, you can just simply upload it from your system, from your PC. Click on this, choose your video and upload. So you can actually pause and resume, or maybe if you have a network issue, you can actually resume the video from the last place it stopped. So that's it. So now me, I already have my videos uploaded. So all I'm going to be doing is, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's rename this title to streaming tutorial. Okay, so let's leave it at that. One good thing about this dashboard is whatever you do is saved. Okay, even if you refresh, even if you close the browser, you come back, you still meet it. So now the next thing is, let's close this up so everywhere will look clean. So the next thing is you attach your video. That's the next thing you need to do. So you click on this, look for your uploaded video, which is definitely going to be here. So me, I'm just going to choose this. Okay, let's just choose this for example. So I'm going to use that video. So it's going to check if your video is okay. And if it gives you this green ready to stream and check mark, that means your video is very okay to stream. So now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to decide how many times do you want your video to loop. What is loop? Loop is, I think we all most of us play music on YouTube Music. We play music on so many streaming platforms, Spotify, and so on and so forth. What loop means is that how many times you want the music to play again after it finishes the first play, second play. So now loop in this context on this website means that how many times do you want your video to repeat after it finishes streaming the first one. So now you can actually decide to make it repeat only once or twice or 3 times or 4 times or 5 times. You can decide how many times you want it to repeat. That's one of the options. Then the second option is you can make it infinite, like it never ends until you realize that you have had enough and you want to stop it. So that's another option. You make it infinite until you decide you want to stop it. Then the next one is no loop. That means you're not looping. Once it finishes the first round, it stops on its own. That's another one. See, in fact, there's an explanation beneath the drop down. You see that? So now the next option there is total time. This is mostly for people who want to stay within the YouTube VOD limit. What is the YouTube VOD limit? The YouTube VOD limit is the duration of time your stream can go live and end that YouTube will end up publishing your video and making it public. That means if you live stream to YouTube and the stream ends, if the stream is within 11 hours 55 minutes, YouTube is going to make your stream public. The archive of your stream, YouTube is going to make the archive of your stream public. So, but if your live stream exceeds 11 hours 55 minutes, like if it exceeds 12 hours, maybe your live stream went for as long as 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours, by the time it ends, it's not going to be public. People are not going to be able to rewatch it later. You understand? That's what it means. So now, if you want to specify the total time your live stream is going to last, so you just choose the total time and set your time. You can set your time manually. So once you're done with that, very good. We move to the next section, which is the stream destination. You come here, you choose YouTube. After choosing YouTube, then your stream key, there's a way to get your stream key. That's the next thing that we're going to do. And to do this, we'll go to YouTube and do this. Now, after that, we are all done. We are all done with all the activities. All you just need to do now is to click on go live. So now for this stream key, let's go to YouTube so that explain to us how to get a stream key. Now, this is YouTube. I'm going to be using this channel for an example. So for you to set up your stream so that that website can stream to your YouTube, this is what you need to do. You go to the create button, you click on go live. So after clicking on go live, it's going to load the streaming page where you can manage your stream. Now, after loading this, it's going to bring you straight to this page. Already I have a live stream ongoing. So now this tutorial is also going to show you that you can have multiple streams, live stream going on. You can have 1 live stream, 2 live stream, 3 live stream, 4 live stream, as much as you can have going on concurrently. Okay, so I already have a live stream. So what you just need to do is to click on schedule live stream. Okay, now it's asking you, do you want to use these settings? If you want to reuse these settings, just click on reuse. But if you don't want to use these settings, you click on new. But I'm going to click on new so that I'm going to show us from scratch how to do this so that we don't get it mixed up when we're trying to do it on our own. So you click on create new. So after clicking on create new, you're going to input your title here. Now note, your video title has to be very, very real, because that's the title that people are going to use to search for your stream. It has to have search engine optimization also. So just like the way you upload videos to YouTube, that you make sure the title is very engaging, catchy, and SEO optimized. That's the same way you're going to make your live stream title look like. Okay, then your description, it has to have keywords also. You have to make the description very, very optimized also, and you have to add your tags. Okay, just the normal way you have to optimize your video description and title, that's the same way you do this. So now you scroll down, you choose your streaming software. Okay, because we are going to be using a streaming software to stream to YouTube. So I'm not putting anything here because it's just for a test. Okay, we already know what to do. Okay, and your thumbnail, you're going to select a thumbnail for your live stream, the thumbnail of the video on a normal day. So you're going to choose your category. You're going to choose your category. You're going to select the playlist you want the live stream to be in. You're going to click on show more, and if you used an AI to make the video, you're going to select yes, and if you didn't, you're going to select no. So configure your categories, your tags rather, configure your tags and select everything you need to select. This is just the normal way you configure a video when uploading a video. Okay, so you already know how to do this if you do upload video. So I'm going to close that, and I'm going to do the reuse setting so that I don't use a stale setting for the test. So I'm going to click on reuse settings. Clicking on reuse settings is going to reuse your initial or your previous stream settings. Okay, so you see this is my previous stream title, description, music. This is a thumbnail already uploaded. Playlist I didn't select, but I can select if I choose to. So, and everything is already selected. You click on the show more, you select the other things, you configure them all. You click on next. Then you make sure all these are selected. Okay, you click on next. You choose public. Of course, you want to make it public. You want people to see what you're streaming. So then you click on done. Now, this is the next phase. This is the next phase. Let's reload. Okay, let's go again. It's as if YouTube has a little hiccup there. So let's just go ahead. You already know what to do. So public, done. Let's wait for it. Now we have it. So now what you need to do is, since you have an ongoing live stream already, then there's something you need to do here. That's for those who would like to run multiple streams. Had it been there is no stream ongoing, there will be no video playing right now, because there's a stream ongoing. That's why you see a video playing. But this is a new stream we want to make. This is not the previous stream. Already we have a stream ongoing. So what you need to do in this situation, if you find yourself in this situation, you want to run double streams or triple streams. So this is what you have to do, because you're going to come across this situation. So what you need to do is to click on this drop down. If you don't have multiple stream key, you have to create a new stream key. But if you already do, just like me, you have to click on the next stream key. Okay, let me click on this stream 2. Now you see there is no stream coming into this key. Okay, this is a key and there is no stream coming into it. So once you click on this, already this is a new stream, different from that previous stream we already running. So now you just click on this copy key. Now the key has been copied. Now we can head back to the website, input that same key here. Okay, now let me reveal it. You can see it's a stream key. Now once the key is inputted, you're ready to go. You're ready to go. You can see. Now let me click on go live. The next thing you need to do is to click on go live, and that's all. Okay, the log is going to show you when your stream is started. Now stream started streaming normally. So now our stream has started. What you need to now do next is to go straight to YouTube and confirm if YouTube has received a data. And now YouTube is already receiving the data and the stream has already gone live. Now if you want to hear what is happening, if the stream is actually um streaming to your YouTube from the website. We are not live here. We are not live yet. Yeah. So the reason why I said we are not live yet is some people might assume they have done everything. Okay, no, you haven't done everything. What you still need to do is to click on the go live button. But we are not clicking on that button yet because we still have something to understand. Now, if you want to hear if your stream is actually streaming live from the website to YouTube, what you need to do is to come to this side, click on the unmute button. If you want me, say that. I wear a shirt to the store, now it hangs like bad news. Cashier smile like she knew I was lying to me too. Yeah, yeah. You said I'm fine, that small town lie, but your voice cracked on the last goodbye. I got your picture on mute in the drawer, the rest still checking for a sign like a fool in a test. Say you miss me, say it now. Don't keep love on a cloud. I'm right here. So you can actually preview and see what is actually happening before your stream actually goes live. So that's what you need to do to see if your stream is healthy and if it's okay. And you can see that the stream is excellent. Now, for you to go live, all you just need to do is to click on the go live button. And let's do that. Now you are live. You're live. Now, for you to actually check the stream settings, there are some times when you need to configure the stream settings before you actually go live. Okay, we already have one live viewer. So there are some times you need to check some settings before you go live. And what are those settings? Number one, you need to enable VDR. You need to enable DVR rather, sorry, DVR. So now what does DVR do? DVR helps your viewers to scroll back when on your live stream to see a previous section of the live stream, like a section of this live stream that has passed. Okay, that's what VDR helps you to do. Did I say VDR again? Oh, sorry, DVR. Now, DVR helps your users to be able to scroll back or seek back is the word, to seek back to a previous section, a previous section in the live stream, so that to see what they missed. Okay, then they are now able to fast forward back to the current live stream. So that's the function of this enable DVR, and it's very important. Now this latency has to always be on normal latency. Okay, that's all you need to understand in that area. So now some people will be asking, how do we see the stream? How do we see that the stream is actually live? Now let's go back to this place and try to see if we can youtube.com. So let's search for my channel, the channel I'm using for this tutorial. Sorry, not VidStreamer. Okay. Now you can see we have the stream already live. You can see we have the stream already. Let's click on it. Now you can see that you hit me late with that soft little you up. I read it twice, then I let my thumb stop. Your name on screen like a match in my hand. I said I move on. So that's how to do this. That's how to do this. Now your stream is going to continue until the time you set for it to stop. That's exactly when it's going to stop. And that's how to stream. Now let me take us through some other things that we need to know on the website. So this unit is something you can actually buy on the website. The moment you exhaust this unit, you can actually get more unit to continue your stream. And On a free plan, you cannot actually buy units. Let's check that and see. Current balance is 600 units. Top up require a paid plan. You can see you require a paid plan to top up your units. So now once this unit is exhausted, you can't top it up on a free plan. So what you need to do is to come to plans and upgrade your plan. Subscribe for the lowest plan, any plan you want to subscribe for. Every one of them have their advantages and what they come with. So the basic plan comes with 1 gig max upload, 1 gig cloud storage, 1 gig download, and monthly units of 1,440. That's the unit that come with it. The unit is definitely not going to be enough for you, so you have to purchase more units while on that plan. So now once you subscribe for this plan, you'll be able to purchase units, and any other plan you subscribe for, you also be able to purchase units. So that is how to use this platform to live stream to your YouTube. It's very easy to use. And guess what? That's one thing I'm here to explain to us. Once your stream is live, you can close the page and go sleep. Now, let me refresh this page and show you what will happen. Now, you can see that the stream continued, not affected, and the title still remain. So now, to tell you that the stream is going to be active even when you close the page, so you have nothing to worry about. Thank you for sticking through to the end. I believe you now understand how to live stream to your YouTube. I wish you best in your YouTube journey. See you in the next video.